Imagine having a powerful engine quietly running in the background, ready to create unlimited content whenever you need it. I spent hours searching across the internet until I discovered a platform that completely shocked me. It allows you to generate high-quality images, edit existing images, and even create cinematic AI videos with sound. And the best part is that it is completely free and unlimited. By the end of this video, you will have a powerful tool that can generate unlimited content without paying anything. Before we jump into the tutorial, I prepared a free PDF guide to YouTube automation. It includes all the steps you need to get started, the tools to use, and the strategies behind running a faceless YouTube channel. I noticed many people struggling to figure this out, so I decided to create this guide for you. Watch until the end, and I will show you how to get it. Now, let's dive in. The platform is called Qwen AI. When you click the link in the description and log in, you will see an interface like this. This is your full powerhouse for creating unlimited content without ever hitting a paywall. You can use it as an AI assistant to brainstorm ideas and do research. You can also use it to write code for different projects, even if you have zero coding experience. It can perform advanced research, generate reports, and down here you will see even more powerful tools. You can upload and edit images directly inside the platform, generate detailed reports with deep reasoning capabilities, and most importantly, we will focus on two main features today: image generation and video generation. If the platform opens in Chinese when you first visit it, simply click here and switch the language to English. Now let's test how good this platform is for image generation. When you open the image generation interface, make sure the selected model is Qwen 3.5 Plus. This model has advanced reasoning capabilities and performs complex tasks better. Next, you can choose your aspect ratio, depending on whether you want vertical or landscape images. In the prompt box, simply describe the image you want to create. For example, I will paste this detailed prompt and click Generate. After a few seconds, you will get a high-quality image with sharp details, natural lighting, and realistic textures. Unlike many free image generators, there are no strange distortions or visible morphing. The background blur looks natural, the skin and hair texture appear realistic, and you can even see muscle tension from the exercise. There are small details like sweat on the body and fabric reacting naturally to movement. From here you can turn the image into a video, edit the image further, or download it directly to your device. Now here is another impressive feature. Instead of paying for tools like NanoBana, this platform can edit images for free. For example, I uploaded an image of a woman along with another image containing a dress. I will add a simple prompt asking the AI to replace the woman's dress with the one in the second image. After generating the result, you get something like this. When you compare it to the original image, you will notice that the character remains identical. The lighting, pose, and environment stay the same while the dress has been perfectly replaced. It is rare to find a free tool that can edit images this accurately. This is extremely useful for online sellers. Instead of hiring models for product photos, you can create product try-on visuals instantly. It is also perfect for creating engaging commercial ads or modifying product images without reshooting photos. You simply upload your image, describe the change you want, and get results within seconds. Now let's move to the feature most of you have been waiting for: video generation. But before we look at video generation, I want to quickly show you a tool that I personally use almost every day to manage PDFs. It is called JOPDF, and it lets you take full control of your PDF files in one place. I discovered it while looking for a simple way to edit and organize PDFs without paying for expensive software, and it has honestly been a lifesaver. JOPDF is a complete PDF editing tool, and you can use it completely free with no sign-up required. Over the past 10 years, more than 3 million people have used this tool, with over 10 million downloads across around 150 countries. Getting started is very simple. You can download it in one click whether you are using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Just choose your operating system and install it by following the setup steps. Once installed, you get access to several powerful features. You can edit PDF content just like you would in Microsoft Word. You can batch process files such as converting PDFs into different formats. You can compress PDFs without losing quality, create new PDFs instantly, and print documents easily. You can also organize your documents by sorting pages, adding or deleting pages whenever you need, and even encrypt your PDFs before sharing them to prevent unauthorized access. So if you work with PDFs regularly like I do, this is definitely a tool worth having on your computer. Now, let's get back to the exciting part: and see how this platform handles video generation. Back on the homepage, choose Video Generation, and a new interface will open. With this tool, you can generate a video from text or by uploading an image. The best part is that the videos are generated with sound. Let's start with text to video. I will select a 16:9 aspect ratio and paste a simple prompt describing a waterfall at sunrise. While the video is generating, take a moment to like the video, share it with someone who might find it helpful, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Alright, the video is ready. Let's take a look. The way the camera slowly zooms in feels cinematic. The morning light passing through the trees looks realistic. The motion of the water falling, the birds flying in the background, and the natural ambient sounds make the scene incredibly immersive. The only limitation is that the clips are currently 5 seconds long, but considering that this tool is free and unlimited, it is still very impressive. Now let's see how the platform handles image to video generation. I will upload one of the images we generated earlier, this image of a woman jogging. Then I will add a simple motion prompt and generate the video. For better results, motion prompts should focus on action, physical movement, and camera behavior. Here is the generated video. Honestly, it looks great. The motion feels natural, the lighting is consistent, and the sound design adds realism. If I had added a camera tracking instruction in the prompt, the result might have been even better so the character stays perfectly centered in the frame. If the first result is not perfect, you can always regenerate and try again. So if you've been paying for different AI tools to generate images and videos, you should definitely try this platform first before spending money elsewhere. Before we finish, let's explore one more powerful feature called Deep Research. You can choose between normal mode for lighter tasks that require quick responses, or advanced mode which takes more time but performs deeper reasoning. I will give it a simple but powerful task. Research and list 5 AI-powered businesses that can be started with zero budget. For each include the business idea, free AI tools required, how to start, and how it makes money. Focus on realistic online opportunities with proven demand. After clicking Generate, the AI will ask a few follow-up questions. Once you answer them, Qwen AI begins planning the research by visiting multiple sources and collecting relevant data. At this stage, you can relax, stretch a little, or grab a cup of coffee while the AI does the heavy work. Once it finishes, you receive a summarized PDF that you can download. Inside the document, you will find multiple online business ideas that can be started with zero budget. For each idea, the AI provides a detailed explanation along with a summary table. It explains the concept, the free tools required, how to start the business, potential ways to make money, and evidence of real demand. Instead of guessing what might work, you get ideas based on actual market opportunities. Just like that, you end up with a valuable PDF full of practical business ideas that you can start from your phone or computer. If you are interested in getting this PDF, I can also share it with you so you can explore the ideas in detail. That is it for today's video. You now know how to generate images, create cinematic AI videos, and run deep research to discover powerful ideas using Qwen AI completely free and unlimited. And as I promised at the beginning, if you want my free YouTube automation PDF guide, simply like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join my Telegram community. You will find the link to download the guide there, along with my daily YouTube automation tips delivered directly to you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.